Good day, please introduce me yourself.
Hello, ma'am, sir. My name is Dinky Anturaray Buta, 27 years old, married with one child from Isabela. I studied at Isabela State University, San Mariano campus of Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, first year only.
Okay, do you have experience abroad?
No, sir, but I have worked here in Philippines as a sales lady for almost 8 years. And the duties and responsibilities of a sales lady to assist the customer, greet them with a professional and friendly manners, and maintaining the store appearance through restocking and visual merchandise.
Okay, in your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
When the child is sick, I will call the employer, and also I will check the temperature of the baby.
Okay, how would you describe yourself?
I am honest, hardworking, and also I enjoy working in a team.
Okay, do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have a surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain foods?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad for my daughter's better future, and also the for my mother's medication monthly.
Okay, if you get hired, who would take care of your children?
My parent.
Okay, if you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus on my work and remind myself that I need this job.
Okay, so what time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
9 p.m. sir when I sleep, and in the morning 6 a.m. when I wake up.
Okay, are you the one who does the cooking and do market at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
Be patient and stay calm.
Do you accept no off days but to be paid instead by employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese foods?
No, sir, but I willing to learn.
Hey, can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
Good day, ma'am, sir. I hope you select me as your worker. I am hardworking, honest, responsible person. I promise to serve your company with all my best. Thank you.